Getting charged for Apple Music after a free trial is surprisingly easy to avoid, if you know where to look. Here's exactly how to cancel on your iPhone in under a minute. Unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. At the top, tap your name to access your Apple ID, then tap Subscriptions. This shows every active subscription and trial tied to your account. Find and tap Apple Music, then scroll to the bottom and tap Cancel Free Trial. Confirm when prompted, and you're done. One important thing to know, your access to Apple Music ends immediately when you cancel, not at the end of the trial period. So make sure you're ready to lose access before you tap Confirm. If Apple Music isn't showing up in your subscriptions list, double check that you're signed into the right Apple ID. It's easy to accidentally sign up under a different account. And a quick tip, don't wait until the last day to cancel. Give yourself a day or two buffer, just in case. If this saved you from an unexpected charge, hit like and subscribe for more straightforward iPhone tips.